Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your school bag zipper. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a pair of small pliers, possibly a new zipper slider if yours is broken, and a seam ripper. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work in. Understanding the problem, whether it's a slider off track or teeth not meshing, is the first crucial step to a successful repair. Let's get started. Now, let's reattach that zipper slider. If your slider has completely come off, you'll need to gently open the bottom zipper stop using your pliers. Once it's slightly open, carefully guide both sides of the zipper teeth into the slider. It's important to ensure the teeth are perfectly aligned as you slide it on. Take your time with this step. Precision is key for a smooth operation. Sometimes, the problem isn't the slider, but misaligned teeth. Carefully inspect your zipper for any bent or damaged teeth that might be causing the snag. Using your small pliers, gently straighten any teeth that appear out of place. Be very careful not to apply too much pressure, as you could damage them further. Once you've made adjustments, slowly test the zipper by moving the slider up and down the track a few times. For the final touches, ensure the bottom zipper stop is securely closed with your pliers. This prevents the slider from coming off again. To keep your zipper running smoothly, apply a tiny amount of zipper lubricant or even a bit of wax along the teeth. This reduces friction and makes zipping much easier. Remember, regular cleaning and gentle use will significantly extend the life of your school bag zipper. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.